loves, oh my gosh, can we take a moment? It's been a hot minute, guys, like a really hot minute since I've done a makeup tutorial. I'm so excited. I have been bombarding you guys with shopping hauls. Sorry, not sorry. That was really bad. But I mean, I just did some more shopping again because what else do you do when you're stuck at home? I don't know, I got some really cute Disney stuff. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Most of it's shipped already, so I just have to wait for it to get here. Then I will do a haul video for you guys once again. But I want to start doing some more tutorials again because I just love doing makeup. I got some new foundation I want to try out for you guys. I haven't worn foundation in a while now because of quarantine and everything. I mean, I just don't see the use of it with a mask and everything. But I mean, I got this new foundation. I'm loving it. And I got another bottle of a different foundation. So I kind of just want to pop out some tutorials for you guys. And I mean, I have so many ideas. And I don't know if you guys could guess down below. Let's just say I might bring some Halloween-y vibes to the channel. I don't know. Just gonna give you guys a hint and leave you guys at that, and you guys can guess the rest. But I'm so excited to do this. I will also be bringing back makeup tutorials to Instagram. It's been a hot minute since I posted on there with regarding makeup, I should say. I'm getting tongue-tied here, but I just posted a reel the other day, well, yesterday, with a makeup tutorial, and I've been doing fashion videos on there. I've been posting some of my old videos on the reel, so my old dance videos from the summertime and previous years. So you guys can go to my Instagram and check that out. It is down below in the description box. And like I said, I love this updated smoky eye. It is gorgeous. I did do one in the past, but this is my updated smoky eye and I'm really digging it. And I love how it came out. So without further ado, I have kept you guys long enough here. Let's cut all this chit chat, and if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Hey lovelies! First I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my Morphe eyeshadow primer. I am now going in with my Hocus Pocus Colourpop Palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Come Little Children for my crease. I am now taking the shade, I call it a Buzz, and I'm going to apply that onto my lids. I love how pigmented this palette is, guys. It is marvelous. Did you guys get a chance to get your hands on this yet or no? I am now going to be taking the same shade and I'm going to smoke out under my eyes. Alright my love, so real quick, I already went in and I did my brows. If you guys would like to see how I do my eyebrows, you guys could check out my other makeup tutorials because I always go in depth with that. But like I said, you guys have seen me do it so many times, so I already just skipped that step. But I did use my B8 Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette, and it looks like this. And I used this, whoopsies, I broke my palette, and I used this shade right here. So like I said, if you guys want to see an in-depth version of that, then check out my other tutorials. But for now, the brows are done, so let's continue. It is now time to curl those lashes, and then I'm going in with my Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. Alright my love, so another thing I want to mention. I am using a different foundation. I always use that NYX one, or I used to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but I recently got a L'Oreal foundation, which I did not try yet, but I also got this Revlon Colorstay one at Target. My sister got it for me. It was on sale for $3 and some change. And I believe we got $1 off too at the register because the sale came down even more, which was like a bonus. And I was like, let's try this foundation and see how it works. And it is superb. It is marvelous. I love it so much. And this is the shade 320 True Beige. and combination oily skin, which I have really oily skin, and it is a matte finish, and that is true indeed because I used this yesterday for a reel. By the way guys, I am doing reels now on Instagram, like makeup, whatever, fashion, all kinds of reels, so if you guys want to give me a follow, my Instagram is down below in the description box. So I'm going to apply this foundation now, but it is amazing and I totally recommend it if you guys have oily skin and you want a nice finish. Then try the Revlon Colorstay. This is not sponsored. I'm just giving you guys some really good advice. It is now time to apply this flawless foundation. Guys, I love the finish of this. I love the way that it feels on my skin. It is just really awesome. I totally recommend it. It is now time to set everything in place with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Pure Beige. I am now going to add in some of my Morphe Bronzer to warm up my face. I love this bronzer so much, you guys should totally try it. It is now time to go in with my Bretman Rock Jungle Rock Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Duo, and I'm using the shade Gold Lioness. It is now time to apply my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Dubai. Guys, I love this shade so much. It is so beautiful and just gorgeous. Did you guys ever try any of these lip creams? Because we have so many of them and they're superb. And here is the finished look, my loves. If you guys like this look, please leave some comments down below. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And as usual, if you guys recreate this look, please tag me in photos on social media. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And let me know what you guys thought about this makeup look down below. And guys, don't forget that I'm always open to your feedback and suggestions, so let me know down below what else you guys want to see because I don't mind changing anything up on this channel. I always try to mix it up for you guys, so if I feel that I did too many hauls or tutorials or DIYs or things like that, I mean, I always mix it up on my channel. I just love dabbling in different things, so let me know what you guys want to see. I mean, even if it's something different, I can try my best and see what I can do for you guys. And let me know what else you guys want to see on my social media platforms, what kind of tutorials you guys want to see on there. I did do a facial routine, I did a makeup tutorial yesterday, so I'm trying to do reels now. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of it. I mean, a 30-second video. I like to make long videos. I don't know, it's just me, but I don't mind. It's kind of fun to a point. So if you guys want to see anything, let me know down below. What else do you guys want to see on my reels? Like I said, I'm always open to new ideas and suggestions. So with all of that said, guys, leave some comments down below. Like I said, let's have a conversation down below. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Are you standing right here? All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight.